Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Avoid the 7 Biggest Bathroom Remodel Mistakes. All right, folks, get ready to dive into the murky waters of bathroom renovating, where dreams of spa-like serenity can slip-slide their way into chaos faster than you can say water damage. But fear not, I'm here with a life raft of wisdom to keep your project afloat and sailing smoothly. First mistake on the list, ignoring ventilation. Skimping here means inviting mold to your bathroom soirees, and believe me, mold is not a party guest you want. Ensure you install a proper ventilation system that whooshes that moisture away quicker than Aunt Sally grabbing the last piece of pecan pie. Second up, neglecting storage. Don't cram your creams and potions into awkward, shallow nooks. Plan for adequate storage because while minimalist looks are in, clutter isn't, unless you're running a skincare museum. And here's a doozy, going trend crazy. Remember, not all trends have staying power. While aqua sinks might sound exciting today, they may not charm potential buyers tomorrow. Opt for timeless designs and save the pizzazz for accessories that can be swapped out with ease. Fourth, underestimating lighting. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. You want to feel rejuvenated, not startled under harsh fluorescence. Layer your lighting with pendants, sconces, and maybe even a dimmer to switch from wake-up sunshine to romantic twilight. And let's not forget drainage considerations, fifth mistake. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Make sure your flooring angles towards a functional drain. Water pooling might be fun for ducks, but definitely not for you or your subfloor. The sixth mistake? Mismatched fixtures. A sleek chrome faucet with a brass towel rack is as jarring as socks with sandals. Consistency is key to visual tranquility. Finally, don't fumble with DIY waterproofing. This is not the time to test your sponge finger painting skills. Invest in professional grade waterproofing because nothing dampens spirits faster than damp walls. So, there you have it, folks. A successful remodel is all about avoiding pitfalls, planning ahead, and making smart choices. Keep these tips in mind, and your bathroom journey could be more serene than a Japanese Zen garden. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.